Well, in a situation like that, if you don't have the money to pay off those bills, then you definitely want to contact a creditor and let them know, like, hey, I'm experiencing some sort of financial hardship, and see what they can do for you as far as working out a payment plan, or maybe extending the payment date. Versus, okay, well, if you can show proof that you're experiencing some sort of financial hardship, you don't have to make a payment for X amount of months. But you have to at least talk to the creditor so they understand your situation and they can kind of work through it. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but you got to give it a try versus just steadily defaulting on your credit cards or loans. Even if you were to go to a credit card company and ask for like an increase in your spending limit, most likely you're not going to get approved. In some cases, if they see that you're experiencing financial hardship and you didn't notify them and you're just going late on these accounts, sometimes they'll actually decrease your spending limit on your credit card, which obviously hurts your utilization rate, which is a big factor in your FICO score. If you're unable to pay that debt, if the account's already closed, charged off, about to enter collection status, then we'll work on it and try to get the account removed from the report. We can remove the information from the credit file. If it's closed, reporting as a closed account, what's reporting as a charge-off, collection, whatnot, we can get the account removed from your credit, but that doesn't absolve you from the debt. You're still going to have to contact the creditor and try to negotiate some sort of settlement or payment arrangement of some sort. But the most important part for us is getting the information off your credit so we can proceed to the next step in the process, which is trying to either build your credit up again after we remove the negative information, or going about the process of acquiring you the funding that you needed to begin with. Right? Whether it's from the personal side or on the business side. If it's on the business side, then obviously the next step, once your personal credit is fixed, the next step is, okay, what do we need to do with your business credit? If you already have business credit established, we can move right into the funding process. If you don't, then we're going to have to work on building out your business credit. So that would be the next step in the process. But as far as the debt itself, listen, we don't absolve people from the debt. They still got to pay it. All we doing is just removing it from the credit file.